Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to factorialize a number. For this problem, we're given a number and we have to return its factorial. A factorial is the product of all positive integers leading up to a given integer. Let's begin by creating a variable called total and initializing its value to b1. We will return the variable as it will store our factorial. Next, we will use a for loop to update our factorial. We will initialize our loop counter to start at 1. We want the for loop to iterate and execute the code block while our counter is less than or equal to the number parameter. Every time we iterate through our for loop, we want to increase our loop counter by 1. Inside the code block, we will update our total variable and multiply it by our counter. We can test and log total to the console. We get 120, which means it will pass our test case. Let's submit our solution. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.